not gonna sneeze. I don't have to sneeze. I don't have to sneeze. I don't. Phew. Oh, that didn't work very well. Sorry, I'm very sensitive at the moment. I don't. Phew. It's gonna be difficult to hold these back. But it doesn't even tickle, so it's fine. I don't have to have to sneeze. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm seriously not gonna sneeze. No matter what, I'm not going to. And it doesn't even tickle, so I don't have to sneeze. I don't have to. See? I don't even have to sneeze. I don't have to. I can't feel it in my nose. I can't because I don't have to sneeze. It's not getting worse. It's too. Sorry. I don't know what that was because I don't have to sneeze. I don't. I'm not very good at this in the moment. I'm just way more sensitive than normal, I think. But I don't putting a finger under my nose, and that's it's kind of helping. Okay. The finger is kind of helping, but I'm gonna. Okay, I don't have to sneeze. I don't have to. It doesn't tickle, and I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not. I had to fully pinch my nose for that one, but I didn't sneeze, so there we go. And I'm not gonna sneeze now. Oh God, doesn't tickle. Don't have to sneeze. Not gonna sneeze. Not gonna sneeze. I have my nose pinched, and I'm not gonna. See, I didn't have to sneeze, and I still don't. I don't have to. Don't have to sneeze, so it's fine because I don't have to. I don't have to sneeze at all. Okay. Okay, maybe I have to sneeze just a little bit. Phew.